Odalit Teeth Restoration, available on shopidop.com, is marketed as an innovative solution for improving dental health. It claims to restore teeth, strengthen enamel, and enhance overall oral hygiene. But is Odalit legit and safe, or is it just another overhyped product? In this review, we analyze customer feedback, product details, and potential benefits. What is Odalit Teeth Restoration? Odalit Teeth Restoration is advertised as a dental repair solution that helps restore damaged teeth and strengthen enamel. The product claims to offer a painless and effective alternative to expensive dental treatments. It is promoted as easy to use, allowing users to improve their oral health from home. Does Odalit really work? Customer reviews on third-party platforms are mixed. Some users report noticeable improvements in tooth strength and appearance, while others say they did not experience any significant changes. Since oral health products can have varying results depending on individual conditions, it is essential to check the ingredient list and understand how the product works before purchasing. Is Odalit safe to use? Safety is a major concern when using any dental product. While Odalit claims to be safe, buyers should verify if it contains dentist-approved ingredients. Checking for FDA approval or clinical research backing the product's effectiveness can help ensure its legitimacy. Consulting with a dentist before using any new dental treatment is always recommended. Is shopidop.com a trustworthy seller? Shopidop.com sells various health and beauty products, but potential buyers should research the website's reputation before making a purchase. Checking for verified customer reviews, return policies, and secure payment options can help determine if it is a reliable online retailer. Should you try Odalit? Odalit Teeth Restoration may offer benefits for some users, but results vary. Before buying, consider customer reviews, safety information, and professional dental advice. If you're looking for a proven dental solution, consulting a dentist remains the best option. Always research thoroughly before purchasing from online sellers like shopidop.com to avoid potential scams. Thank you for watching this video, and I really appreciate your feedback to improve creativity in creating positive and useful content for many people.